Good evening, everyone. I'm Kazbar Panjazon, and today I'm gonna do a project. It's called Salary Information Management System. So, first, let's open our Visual Studio 2019, create a new project, then we should select the Windows Forms application in VBNet. So, click this, then this is our project name. So, Windows application, then create. So we have our design here. Let's resize it, then go to toolbox, toolbox, then let's copy this salary ID. So that is label. So let's just drag this. So this is the code. So let's go back to the design and rename it salary ID. Salary ID. So it has a space. So next is employee ID. So just copy this, Control C, Control V, employee ID. So employee ID. Then employee name. So Control V, this employee name. Then let's rename this to employee name. Employee name. Next is payment mode. So payment mode, payment mode. Next is account number and bank. Control C, Control V, arrange it, change it to account number. Then let's make another one. This would be name, bank. So as you can see, it's starting to show what we have to do. So let's back to our Visual Studio. let's add a button. Excuse me, button. So let's add here button 1, button 2, button 3. So it has 4 buttons. Button 4. So this is the original, and this is the design I wanted to do to make it. So next would be basic salary. Basic salary. So let's add another label here. Label, so we need sytem level. So last one. So let's name this basic salary. Basic salary. Enter. This should be the bonus. Enter. And other salary. Other salary. Then this will be education allow. So this is the code. So education allow. Education allow. Where's the text name? Here. Education allow, then enter. So next is house rent, medical, and total salary. So house rent, then this will be named medical. Then total salary. Total salary. So this will be named insert. So we have now our insert button. Then search, update, and delete. search, update, and delete. Then let's add some, I think this is text box. So let's add here. Text box. Then let's move this. Text box here, text box, text box, text box, text box, text box, text box. So let's add database. Wait. First, this is the data grid view. So this is our design. So this is the code. So let's explain it in the line. So line 1, system data table. So this line imports the system data table, which contains the data table class used in this code. So next is public class form. So this line defines a new public class na named form 1, so which is the main form of the application. Then next is name table as new data table. So this line declares two variable: table, which is a new data table object, and index, which is an integer used to keep track of the selected row in the data grid view. Then next is this three private sub routines. So these are event handlers for the level 14, 17, and 10. So they are currently empty and do not contain any code. So dari wala kang cellphone. Then next is private sub form 1 underscore load sender as object, e as event argument handles my base.load. So this subroutine is the event handler for the form 1 load, which is triggered when a form is loaded. Then next is kaning column. Kani is this line adds columns to the data table object with specified names, data, and types. So next is data grid view 1 that data source equals table. So this line sets a data source property of the data grid view 1 control to the table object, which displays the contents of the table in the grid. So next is private sub or subroutine button 1 click sender as object, e as event arguments handles button 1 click. So this subroutine event is the handler for the button 1 click event, which is triggered when users clicks the add button. So next is this. So decided text So this line adds a new row to the table object with values entered in the text box 1 to the text box 13 control. So we have there our text box 1 to 13. So this will clear all of the inputted characters in the text box. Then next is this strings. So this line gets the selected row from the data grid view 1 and control the set of text of the text box 1 to the text box 13. So controls the values of the corresponding cells in a selected row. Next is private sub button tree click sender. So this is the button for the button tree click when users click the button. So we have our new data. So this line gets selected from the row data grid 1 and controls the corresponding cells of the text, and this adds the new data. Then this will clear if needed. So let's do our design. So this is our design. This is the data grid view. So let's run the program. Salary ID 123, employee ID 1234, project name Qzone, payment method PayPal, account number is 4345, bank is BDO. Then basic salary is 20,000. Then the bonus is 1,000. Other salary is 5,000. So education allowance is 1,000. House rent 1,000. Medical 1,000. Total salary is 26,000. So insert. So let's add another. One. Player name is Ivan. Payment method is Gcash. Account number is 3232. Bank is Land Bank. Basic salary is 10,000. Bonus is 1,000. Other salary is 1,000. Education allowance is 500. Rent 2,000. Medical 1,000. Then the total salary is 12,000. So insert. So let's use our search. So let's search for this employee name Qzone. So the salary ID is 123. So search. Then update. Then delete. So it was deleted. So next is delete this. So it's all deleted. So that's all. Thank you and have a good night.